Hi guys, today I just finished my bowl school, so I didn't have original like the professional. I just got it from the shop. This bowl it's 20 millimeters. So right now, also I finished this one. So I used the mat tool and I drill the hole and also can use in this, and also these wheels I just finished, and also this one I have a small one ring here. So this one will be plugged inside here, so plug inside here, so I can plug inside over here. But this one not yet finished. I will find out aluminums. That means I can put right here. That means have two more ring the same size, and this ring I will add a number on it. That means when I turning in and out, I can mark the number on it. I can mailing very easy. So this one I can show you what happened. So this one I have three different. So this one I use for the carriage, for the carriage, and also one more this I use for the compound slider, and one more right here I will use for the 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 headstock. The headstock for my milling machine is not stay, so the headstock just will be moved up and down, but this is not easy. But I hope it's work. But the problem for me is the trails I need to do, because I try to buy the original trails but quite expensive and also not easy. I order, so like this I have to make uh, this one like the trails for my homemade milling machine. So that means I can do right here. have other tool cut the metals, so finally I use the grind angle, cut it by hand. Then I can lace the face later. So right now I got this hand for the wheels, so I use the hole right here. So this hole, it's only 6 millimeters, and this, the back side, I use the bolt I can put inside there, but I will millings round and I plug inside there, connecting the wheels. So I will use like that. This nice or not, because here we use it. I didn't have aluminums, so I use all the metal, but the metal when I keep long time will be rough. But I will use some paint, maybe keep on it. I hope this work, protect the rust, something like that. Okay, I got it. It's my puppies, really funny. So this is the bowl. So I milling like this. So finally I will use the grind angle and cut the side, and they use the screwdrivers plug in. See right here. It's working now. Right now I got 3. Yeah. Right there. I make it